I am Dr. Shashibushan. I am a consultant neonatologist and a pediatrician at Cloudnine Malleshwaram. Coughs and colds are the commonest complaints we see in our day-to-day practice. It's one of the commonest cause for doctor visits and also a school absenteeism. So if we know the natural history of coughs and colds, we can avoid unnecessary medication, especially the over-the-counter medications and antibiotics. Common cold itself is a self-limiting illness. Most of the time what we need is it's a supportive measures. No antibiotics are required and no other medications are required. Common cold is a viral infection of the nose, throat and the sinuses. There are more than 100 different viruses are there which can cause this common cold, and that is the reason why children get recurrent infections. Cough is due to irritation of the airway passages. The commonest cause of cough in children is common cold, which doesn't require any treatment. But there are so many other causes of cough where it needs a particular specific treatment, and they are bronchial asthma, viral induced wheeze, gastroesophageal reflux and pneumonias basically.